Hey everyone, it's that time again. The excitement is in the air and you can almost feel the buzz. Get ready because Google is about to drop a whole bunch of new tech on us. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Mark your calendars for August 13th because the Pixel event is going down. It's going to be a day to remember. We've been hearing rumors for months and from what I can tell, this year's lineup is going to be huge. The leaks have been tantalizing and the anticipation is at an all-time high. We're not just talking about new phones this time, people. Google's ecosystem is expanding and it's going to be more interconnected than ever. We're expecting updates across the entire Pixel ecosystem. Think new Pixel phones, a fresh Pixel watch, and maybe even some surprises we haven't seen coming, and maybe even an updated Pixel Fold. The foldable tech is evolving and Google is right at the forefront. And let's not forget about the software. Google's software innovations are always a highlight, bringing new features and improvements that make our tech lives easier and more fun. Google always brings the heat with their software features, and I have a feeling this year will be no different. Expect some game-changing updates. Get ready. Let's go. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room. 6 new devices. You heard that right, 6! That's a lot of new tech to get excited about. According to the leaks and rumors, Google's about to unleash a wave of Pixel goodness on us. We're expecting the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro, obviously. These flagship models are anticipated to bring cutting-edge features and top-notch performance. But hold on, because there's more. Google's not stopping at just the high-end models. Get ready for the Pixel 9a, a more affordable option that doesn't skimp on features. It's perfect for those who want great performance without breaking the bank. And the Pixel Fold 2 is rumored to make its grand entrance, bringing that foldable goodness to the Pixel lineup. Imagine the possibilities with a foldable device. Oh, and did I mention the Pixel Watch 3? This new iteration is expected to come with enhanced health tracking and smarter features. Yeah, a new Pixel Watch is on the horizon, ready to take on the wearables market. It's going to be a game changer for fitness enthusiasts and tech lovers alike. Last but not least, we have a bit of a mystery device. Speculations are running wild about what this could be. Some rumors suggest it might be a Pixel tablet, but details are scarce. A new tablet could mean a fresh take on mobile computing from Google. Google's keeping this one close to the vest. They're building anticipation and keeping us all guessing. Whatever it is, one thing's for sure. Google's going all in on their hardware this year. They're expanding their ecosystem and offering more choices for consumers. They're not just competing, they're making a statement. Google's ready to redefine the tech landscape with these new devices. All right, let's talk software for a second, because that's where Google really shines. We've all heard whispers about Google's answer to ChatGPT, and it looks like it's finally happening. Say hello to Gemini, Google's next-generation AI assistant. Gemini is going to be baked into all these new Pixel devices, and it's going to change the game. We're talking about next-level voice commands, personalized recommendations, and AI-powered features that will blow your mind. Imagine talking to your phone like you talk to a real person, getting things done without lifting a finger. Gemini is Google's secret weapon, and they're about to unleash it on the world. This isn't just about making our lives a little easier, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Let's dive into the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro, shall we? These new models are the epitome of cutting-edge technology and design. These phones are all about refinement. Every aspect has been meticulously crafted to offer a superior user experience. Google's sticking with what works, but they're making subtle design changes that elevate the entire experience. The attention to detail is remarkable. The camera bar, a signature Pixel design element, is getting a sleek new look. It's not just an aesthetic upgrade, it enhances functionality too. It's more integrated into the body, creating a seamless flow from edge to edge. This design choice makes the device feel more cohesive and premium. The overall shape of the phone is slightly more rounded, making it more comfortable to hold. Ergonomics have been a key focus in this design evolution. And you know Google's going to bring their A game when it comes to colors. Expect a palette that is both vibrant and sophisticated. We're expecting bold new hues that will turn heads wherever you go. These colors are designed to make a statement, but it's not just about looks. The internal features are just as impressive. The Pixel 9 and 9 Pro are rumored to feature upgraded materials like Gorilla Glass Victus for ultimate scratch resistance and a more premium feel. This ensures durability and longevity. Google's paying attention to every detail, and it shows. From the materials used to the final touches, every element is crafted to perfection.